Hey guys, today's video is about the new Xquisite Smoke Stick Shisha. Let's begin. We're going to start with a vase, which is our drop, reef and pearl model, but you can choose any Russian vase that's on our website to go along with it and pair it however you like. In this box we'll have the Shisha and all the relevant accessories to go with it. To start off, I'll lay out all the items onto the table so we can really get into the assembly process and you guys can clearly see what we've got over here. With this we're even giving our new XS premium stainless steel tongs, which don't come with many stick shishas. We're going to start off with the purge chamber. So with the purge chamber, we'll just get the white ball bearings that come with it and put them into the 2 holes inside the purge chamber and cover it with a silver ring that you see. Then just the main down stem, thread it through so it comes out on the other side, and you've got the down stem screwed straight down and twist in opposite directions. The tray, place that on top and lock it into place over here. That is the main stem done. We have the diffuser down here, which is a simple just pull or push back in. So whatever style of smoking you prefer, you just use it that way. For the silicone hose, you have the adapter which has the ridges. Just plug that into one side of the silicone hose. And the other side will just get plugged into the hole that you see in the purge chamber. Now, if we know that the UK has a lot of disposable hoses now, we've also made an independent adapter which looks like this. So if you're using a silicone hose, you'll use this instead and plug it in. Put a rubber grommet inside and your silicone hose will be able to plug straight, your disposable hose, sorry, will be able to plug straight into it. Now, if you do decide to use the silicone hose, you've got the mouthpiece handle with the logo at the top. Just plug the other end straight into the hose. On the other side of the silicone hose, just thread the spring that we've provided all the way through. This will help the pipe to stop kinking. And that will just get plugged into this hole over here in the purge chamber. And you're ready to go, guys. Just plug it straight in. You're good. We would advise for water levels just to be just 1/4 of an inch above the top of the diffuser. Just plug it in and you're good to go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out xquisitesmoke.com for all our other products. Till next time. And if you enjoyed that video, guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.